again زي ما قلنا انا راح اكتفي برؤوس اقلام كتابة because it's already you have it. Chapter 3. What's chapter 3? They call it process and process variables. What's a process? If I say in a process, can you define process? What's a process?
Sequence operation.
It's either operation or series of operations. It could be operation or series of operation. For what? You have objective and you want to accomplish that objective. This is the process. So انت هنا العملية التعليمية it's a process. Why? الobjective حقي is to obtain شنو؟ degree. In order to obtain the degree, you have to go through series of processes. خلينا نقول. البروسيس الأولى إنك تاخذ 201. البروسيس الثانية إنك تاخذ 204. So you have something that you want to accomplish. So you are doing this. So this is تعريف البروسيس. Okay? Now, for each process, if I have process, there is in and out. This is for each process there is in or out. بعض الأحيان نقول feed وقابلها شنو؟ So this is a process. Now if you have multiple steps, each one we will call it process unit. يعني when you go to the industry, you will not have one process in which you will just put A, B, C, you put all your raw material and you get the product. ما في يا ليت. If you go like for example to Jubail, okay, there is certain process in this industry in which you will have, for example, natural gas from Aramco, and first process we will do this, second process we will do this. So you will go through long or series of processes in order to find what? The final product. So تمر على عمليات عدة عشان تحصل. يعني أنت at the end you see the final product, we will think that okay, so final product حصلنا. من إيش؟ من كذا. بس شلون أنت وصلت عشان توصل للحاجة البسيطة هذه؟ يعني أنت هذا الخلق شلون بدأ وشلون وصل إلى صار لنا قماش؟ وبعد ما صار قماش كيف صار له؟ في ناس أخذت مقاس وفي ناس قصت وفي ناس خيطت وفي ناس طرزت. It's long. Okay? So this is, we call it process. What do chemical engineer do? As a chemical engineer, what do you do?
Study that process.
First thing, أول ما تيجي أنت ما عندك شيء. You don't have. جينا بالثمانينات there was no الجوبيل وينطع. ما كان في شيء اسمه الجوبيل ينطع. بدأت الفكرة صح ولا لا؟ So instead of selling oil cheap as a raw material, and those people they take it as a raw material, okay, upstream, بعدين ينتجوا لي اشياء downstream مكونات وانا ابيع ب $30 وبعدين ارجع اشتري المكونات حقه ب 100 و 200 و 300 دولار. There was idea, okay, why don't we have industry? We make use of the oil, the natural gas. Okay. طيب if you want to do something you have to do what? انت الان اذا تبغى تبني بيت اول شيء تبدا بايش؟
الأساس.
ديزاين. you have to design. احنا نسميه خريطة. في البيت نسميه خريطة صح؟ مكونة من ايش؟ you design. والله تقول والله أنا أبغى 4 غرف نوم، 2 رئيسيات، أبي مجلس، أبي مقلب، أبي مطبخ، أبي كذا، الطابق الأول أبي سيرفيسز، الطابق اللي فوق أبي. You design it. So here when they come في الجبيل والينبع, they design. كيف they design an industry? They have to formulate the process. Flow sheet, بدأوا flow sheet زي الخريطة. Then they have to put the specification of individual processes. أحط المواصفات اللي أنا أبغاها. Now you design. خلاص سويت الديزاين، خلاص رحت تقاعد، يلا ريتاير خلاص، جزاك الله خير، رحم الله والديك، صممت، يلا مع السلامة. Is it like this؟ يعني انتوا الآن جيتوا الجيل الجديد، رحتوا الجبيل جاهزة، كيان جاهزة، الأماكن جاهزة. شو تسوون؟ There is what we call operation, which is day-to-day running of the process. لازم ناس تتابع الإنتاج صح ولا لا؟ طبعاً at the same time you need to increase the profit. How can you increase the profit? You find better process, you find better catalyst. So this is, we call it day-to-day operation. ما اجي اقول لهم والله نو هذا المصنع حقكم نو شيلوه تعال بسوي لكم واحد ثاني. It's day. So either you design or elaborate. هذا طبعا باختصار يعني مو بهالبساطة هذه بس يعني هذا اختصار. So in this chapter what are you gonna do? We will talk about some definitions, some measurement techniques that we will need during the courses اللي جاية و during if we إن شاء الله graduate و how to calculate the process variables. نبدأ بإيش؟ processes and the process variable. أول واحد first section is what? 3.1 mass and mass وفوليوم. شو اللي يربط بينهم؟ لما تشوف ماس وفوليوم شو يجي على بالك؟
density.
So that density of a substance is what? Mass per unit
Volume.
volume of the substance. يعني شو بتكون؟ كيلوغرام per meter cube. هذه في وين؟ In which system?
SI.
SI. Or gram per centimeter cube or pound mass per feet cube. هذه الدنسيتي. مسميات يا شباب جدا مهمة. We have to know the difference between them. So if it is given to you in the problem statement, you know what you are dealing with. If you don't know, you will mix up things. Specific volume what's the specific volume? So specific volume of a substance is the من الاسم volume. دائما لما تشوف كلمة specific per what? Per mass. when تشوف كلمة specific it's per mass. So it is the volume occupied by a unit mass It is the
Opposite.
reciprocal. So it is the inverse of. يعني one of the tricks that he can bring to you in exam or homework or quiz, and then instead of giving you density, he will tell you the specific volume is. So if you don't know that it is the reciprocal of the density and you are looking for the density, what are you going to say? We need the density and the density is not given. How can we solve the problem? So you have to know that the reciprocal of the specific volume is the density and the vice versa. Density of solid and liquid ايش علاقتهم بالبريشر؟
Constant.
Density of the solid and the liquid. يعني when you change the pressure, what will happen to the density of the liquid?
Decrease.
Nothing.
Nothing. Decrease.
Solid or liquid, it's not a function of the pressure. Okay? It is not a function of the pressure. بينما with the temperature, it is weak function of temperature. Okay? So, for the liquid and the solid, we are safe. No problem. Because it's weak function of temperature and it is not a function of pressure. What about the gases? What about the gases?
Higher raised.
The gases in a chapter. We'll talk about it later. Okay? We will talk about it later. عندنا قوانين. طيب. How can we find the value of the density of a pure substance? The value for densities. For pure. You can go and find it in reference book. Like what? خوفيكم فيها الحين احنا. Various handbook. الفيريز handbook اللي اعطاكم اياه الكتاب الكبير هذا. When you go to one of the chapters, you will see that it is written density of pure substances. طبعا الآن you can go to Google it. That's it. If you have internet access, go to the Google, اكتب density of this at this temperature. يعطيك إياها. And you can also estimate. There are methods to estimate. And for gases, we will talk about it in chapter 5. Method to estimate the density of gases and mixture of liquid. And the mixture of liquid. Okay? Now, since it relates mass to volume, we can use it as what? حاجة على حاجة. Something over something. You can use it as convergent factor. Thank you. What did we say? It's like the balance. زي الميزان. If there is something over something and they are equal but different unit, you can use it as a convergent factor. So here, if it's mass over volume, if you have mass and you want to convert to volume, or if you have volume and you want to convert to mass, you need the
Density.
density. Any question, Shabab? Okay. Alhamdulillah. Example. هنشوف example. يقول لي if the density of carbon tetrachloride is 1.595 gram per centimeter cube. What will be the mass of 20 centimeter cube of carbon? So he gave me what? He gave me the density, and he is asking about the mass. And that's why, because of شباب تعالوا انتوا if you have now كيلو رمل ولا كيلو قطن ولا كيلو ذهب هل ياخذوا نفس المكان؟
No.
Same volume? Why is that? Because of the
Different density.
different density. Okay. Now, what do we have here? We have دائما عشان تعرف انت ايش يبغى هو يقول لك what will be the mass of this. يعني هو هذا اللي يبغى يغيره صح؟ فانا اقول له this is a 20 centimeter cube. CCl4. ايش يبغى هو؟
Mass.
يبغى ماس. يبغى ماس. يعني يبغى هنا
Gram.
جرام وابغى اكنسل سنتيمتر كيوب مظبوط؟ عشان اعرف انا اقسم ولا اضرب. Do I have to multiply or divide? Don't memorize. لا تحفظ. Don't memorize. Let the things help you. The concept will help you. So I have centimeter cube and I want a gram. So this is what now? This is the density. So I have to multiply by the density. 1.595 يطلع الجواب عندي 31.9 واضح شباب؟ Very easy. As I said, all what you need is to concentrate little bit. طيب يسألني هو يقول لي الآن find the volume of 6.2 pound mass. Find the volume of 6.2 pound mass of carbon tetrachloride. ابغى الفوليوم of CCl4. شو يساوي؟ هو ايش اعطاني الان؟ What did he give me? Mass, but in which system?
Americans.
والدنسيتي اللي عندي شنو؟
CGR.
CG
CGS.
GS. إذا لازم أحول now. I say 6.2 pound mass. نيجي هنا ونبغى نكنسل. نقول عندي أنا هنا 4 جرام لكل باوند ماس. من وين هي جبناها؟ What is this? This is conversion factor to convert from
Pound.
pound mass in American system to gram in the CGS. Okay. So راحت الباوند مع الباوند. الآن أقدر أجي لهذه أقول أقسم ولا أضرب. إيش أبغى أنا؟ مين اللي أبغاه فوق؟ What is the thing that I'm looking for? I'm looking for the volume. So here it means that 1.595 gram per centimeter cube. So this cancel this. So this will equal 1760 centimeter. في صعوبة شباب؟ Very easy. طيب. There is something called, as I said, احنا here we are defining things. Why we are defining them? Because we will be using them later. Specific gravity. Specific gravity. What is a specific gravity? They call it specific gravity. It is nothing but rho over rho reference. Specific gravity, rho over rho reference. It has no unit. And I tell you what's nice about it. Sometimes they give you the specific gravity because he don't want to give you the density in a certain unit or certain system of unit. Why is that? Because this will give him the flexibility to bring the question in any unit. And you have to convert the specific gravity and you get the density from it. We will see now how. First of all, we have to know what is rho reference. What is rho reference? We look, rho reference, it is the density of water at 4 degrees centigrade. This is our rho حقت الwater at 4 degrees centigrade. Why did they come specifically at 4 degrees centigrade? Because at 4 degrees centigrade, this is equal 1.000 gram per centimeter cube, which is the same as 1,000 kilogram per meter cube, and it is 62.43 pound mass per feet cube. Now, this is constant. This is constant. So if he is giving you the specific gravity, you can calculate the density at any system of unit, because these are constant. ما يتغيروا. This is اسمه raw reference. Raw reference. Maybe somebody comes and say, what if the temperature changed? The problem is not at 4 degrees. It has nothing to do. This is raw reference. We are using it as a reference. واضح شباب? We are using it as a reference. So if you know the raw reference and you know the specific gravity, you can find what? The density. Clear شباب? Easy? صعب? طيب, in some of the books you will see something like this. واحنا اتفقنا احنا we have to know things even if we are not using it. لازم نعرف من الآخرين when they are using something we have to know what do they mean. Sometimes you will see specific gravity equal 0.920 degrees على 4 degrees. What does this mean? This, how can we read it? Means that the specific gravity of this substance, the specific gravity of this substance is 0.9 at 20 degrees centigrade with the reference of the density of water at 4 degrees centigrade. تخيل هذه. That's it. So the specific gravity is 0.9 at 20 degrees centigrade with reference to the water at 4 degrees centigrade. طيب, من وين نجيب احنا the specific gravity of different substance? I would say C table B1. C table B1 يعني لما تروح للكتاب تفتح الكتاب وتروح لتيبل B1 وجو and take a look. مو تصور لي سي تيبل بي 1 وبعدين ما تدري انت شنو تيبل بي 1. اوكي شباب, it is very important, especially those tables. You have to get used to them before the exam. مو أول مرة بحياتك تشوف التيبل بالإكزام. No. You have to know each table contains what. So in the exam, if you have the formula sheet and you need something, you know where to go and look. You don't spend 15 minutes looking for it. The exam where you apply, not where you try. You apply what you have tried before. Okay, Shabab? Very important. So this is sometimes the problem when you go and you copy the homework from your friend. Yeah, it's easy. Density equal this. You come and write density equal this. طيب من وين جابها؟ أنت ما تدري. You didn't even bother reading the question. So you thought that it's given or something. You come to the exam. What's missing? Density. Oops. From where? Maybe you don't even know that it's from the table. What? There is one information missing. 20 واحد حله، اشمعنى انت بس اعطيتك ورقه ثانيه عم قصدي انك انا. Be very careful with this. As I said, we will practice. ما برميك انا في البحر الا بعد ما اعلمك السباحه. We will practice. But please help me to help you. يعني if you don't want to follow up, you will be in trouble. If you follow up, you will see that what's this to one? قولوا صعب وقولوا no, it's not. طيب هنشوف example.